So you're thinking about moving to Cambria, California? Well, today I flew my drone over Cambria to show you the small coastal town from the sky. It was just an easier way for me to show the town. Hang in there till the very end because I don't want you to miss out the little tidbits that I have to share. We're going to take a look right now. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you tap that bell icon and hit the subscribe button below. So you'll be the first to know when I post more information about moving to San Luis Obispo County in the Cambria area. My name is Bruce Carson. I'm with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast, and I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to the coast. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, just call, text, or email me. All of my contact information is listed below. So like I said, today, we're going to go fly over Cambria and take a look. Welcome to Cambria, California. This is a hidden gem on the Central Coast where ocean waves meet towering pines and tranquility is a way of life. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast, and today we're exploring this captivating village from above. Nestled along scenic Highway 1, Cambria is best known for its unspoiled beauty and small town charm. Moonstone Beach, with its dramatic bluffs and sparkling gemstones in the sand, is a favorite for visitors and locals alike. Imagine starting your mornings here, walking the boardwalk as the sun rises over the Pacific. Cambria's vibrant downtown offers an eclectic mix of galleries, boutique stores, and farm-to-table dining. This is a community where creativity thrives, reflected in everything from its architecture to its people. For nature lovers, Cambria is a sanctuary. The towering Monterey pines create a serene forested retreat, one of only 3 native pine forests in the world. Whether you're hiking the Fiscalini Ranch Preserve or simply savoring the view, this landscape promises peace and inspiration. History buffs will appreciate Cambria's rich past, from quirky charm of Nitwit Ridge, built from recycled treasures, to the grandeur of Hearst Castle just up the road. This area is steeped in stories waiting to be discovered. Cambria isn't just about breathtaking views, it's about savoring life. With nearby wineries offering award-winning varietals, you can enjoy world-class wines while taking in golden sunsets over the rolling hills. Whether you're dreaming of a coastal escape, a second home, or a permanent retreat, Cambria offers a lifestyle unlike any other. If you're ready to make this paradise your home, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel at Bruce Carson RE for more Central Coast insights and stunning property tours. Thanks for flying with me today.